Hi, I'm Neil Fu, the host of NCT Tech Talk. We are back here again with another two experts. Today we have Dr. Chern Loon. Or we call him Dr. Lim, who is the Ph.D. degree holder of image processor that graduated from University of Malaya, our own home-breed talents. That we are grateful to have him here to share with us some AI. And also he's from WISE AI, a local established company, together with his colleague. He's a co-founder, and he have another co-founders, Mr. Toh Jing Kai. Looks very young, but he graduated from ChengChi University of Taiwan. That he is the mathematic expert, in which that he hold applied maths qualification. That's great. Two young men here. Sometimes I feel a bit elderly, right? But we got to learn from the young generation. So being young, sometimes it's not that, from the look, you can't tell whether it's convinced or not. But today, let us listen to them, what they can share with us. First, Dr. Lim, so you have established WISE AI, being the WISE AI Sdn Berhad. So what is your company missions and how it relates to the development of artificial intelligence, or we call AI? Dr. Lim, please.
Thank you, Mr. Neil Fu. Also, thank you NCT for the invitation to participate in this NCT Tech Talk. My name is Chern Loon. I'm the head of AI from WISE AI. So, WISE AI is an award-winning local AI company. We develop our own electronic know your customer, eKYC, and also the digital identity solutions that helps the enterprise to onboard the customer by improving the process up to 95%. Okay, so we serve various industries that includes fintech, government, and also telecommunications. Some of our notable clients are the LHDN, Lembaga Hasil Dalam Negeri, PTPTN, the Perbadanan Tabung Pendidikan Tinggi Nasional, PTPTN, then CGC, Credit Guarantee Corporation, Bank Negara Malaysia subsidiary, and Sarawak State Government, and also some telecommunication companies such as Digi and Red One. So with the expertise and talent that we have, we hope to help our clients to drive the industrial AI in Malaysia. Since our technology are all fully owned by us, we can provide Southeast Asia pricing and also help to customize the solution according to their needs. And in addition to that, we can also provide a very fast customer support because we are a local company.
Listening to his user's name, big name, LHDN, Sarawak Pay, and whatnot, you see. So it's all the great platform. Sometimes when we talk about AI or artificial intelligence that is far reached by us, so perhaps we want to listen to Jing Kai that how does all this application of your AI technology to have been implemented, So always we have a big words, big vision, but how can it be implemented, Jing Kai?
Sure, thank you, Mr. Fu. From my past experience in Taiwan, I used to talk to more than 100 professionals from different industries. The most common AI project they have implemented with AI implementation, I would say is automated optical inspection. It is also known as AOI.
AOI, so automated optical
inspection.
Okay, today we learned something new. Okay, continue.
Yeah. What is AOI? It refers to a process that will use camera and image algorithms to inspect products. Products such as printed circuit boards, is known as PCB, is a very important product in this new era. And then we might have this question, why AOI? Because usually AOI is the company first choice to launch an AI project because it is usually very cost effective.
Okay, so what about, you're talking about cost.
Yeah.
So you want to know about money, right? Okay, so what is the money that involved? Could be multi-millions or we don't know.
I will use one example. I came across one PC company in Taiwan. We helped them to train an AI model to inspect their product within 2 months. Of course, given their very high cooperation in terms of data collection, the result is they managed to reduce the number of production inspection worker from 8 to 1, and then reduce the error rate from 13% to just less than 1%. In terms of the inspection speed, there's also almost 3 times of the improvement. So this is one of the very significant impact that brings to this PCB company by implementing AI.
So listening to you, we are talking about efficiency and effectiveness of the cost control and also the productivity. So this relate to what we have been talking about, IR 4.0, industrial 4.0 transformation. So how does your AI or AOI application relate to this one of the 9 key pillars of IR 4.0? How can it be related?
For example, in the sense of in the context of IR 4.0, definitely we have a lot of manufacturing factory.
Okay.
So to specifically tell the number actually is quite difficult because we need to conduct quite a detailed analysis on about what is their current inspection process. So if their current inspection process is require a lot of manual inspection worker, then normally use with this AI model, we can remove this part and also improve the efficiency.
All right.
Yeah.
Come back to about IR 4.0, we are talking about manufacturing. So always we talk about maintenance, but maintenance can be divided by reactive maintenance and preventive maintenance. So how is your system, come to help on the preventive maintenance?
So in the context of IR 4.0, I would say the technology that related to the maintenance is actually predictive maintenance. It is making huge difference in the industry because with the right components and implementation of predictive maintenance, it can help a company to gather real-time data of plants or machine or equipments, anything we can put sensor in place to monitor them without actually constantly use manual labor cost to monitor them.
So you use sensor, you use automation, and also IoT could be the case, right?
Yes.
So so listen to Jing Kai, all the technical things that you try to make it simple for us to understand. Then come back to commercial part, right? Being the co-founders and the founders. Dr. Lim, with your experience, right? You're being a technical expert, then you become a businessman. You become one of the leader in the company. How do you see this in different industry embrace AI, artificial intelligence, in their business operation?
Firstly, the organizations need to develop a very clear strategy for how AI will be used in their businesses. This involves the understanding of the limitation and also the benefit of using the AI. And also they need to identify the use cases and also the business problems that AI can help to solve. Then secondly, if the organizations need to embrace AI, they need to invest in data infrastructure. For example, for the storage system and also the processing power. Because AI actually relies on a large number of data. And they also need to ensure that these data are of high quality and also relevant to their business needs. And last and finally, the organization need to monitor and evaluate the performance of the AI because they need to ensure that the results are accurate And from time to time, they might need to do some adjustment to the AI models when there are new data come in or when there are some changes to the business requirements.
Okay, so we got to be back to the basic, right? And whatever technology we have, whatever AI we have, we still have to come back to commercialize, monetize with it. So what can WISE AI roles, especially to the SME or to the industry of Malaysia, what roles can you play?
Okay. With the expertise in AI that WISE AI have, we are actually well equipped to empower the organization with the AI abilities from several aspects. Okay. Firstly, we can help to assess the organization's current operations. For sure, this is not just from our side only, because this will need bilateral work from both sides, both parties, inclusive of the business and organization as well, and help them to develop a strategic plan for how AI can be used to improve their business. Okay, this may involve identifying the potential use cases, developing a roadmap for them, and also outlining the resources and technology needed for their businesses. Then secondly, WISE AI can also provide the technical expertise required to build and deploy the AI solution. This may involve developing the custom AI models, integrating the AI to their existing systems, and also providing the support and maintenance throughout the operation for these AI systems. Okay. The final goal for us is to ensure that AI systems are used effectively and provide the desired benefit to the organizations so that they can focus on their core business and drive the industrial AI in Malaysia.
Okay, so I think beside the SME that you can add on with the AI so that you have more kind of persona marketing approach, and of course with the NCT group that we have NCT Smart Industrial Park, there will be many Industry 4.0 related manufacturing system that I think the AI would help. We hope that WISE AI can play even a greater role to re-industrialization of Malaysia manufacturing, especially towards the Industry 4.0, perhaps one day Industry 5.0. So I think thank you very much with Dr. Lim and Jing Kai with their precious time, and also the young aspiration and inspiration that this is our future of Malaysia and the future of the world, to drive the technology and make our life more enriched and also happiness. All right, so that's it for this episode, and now we are seeing you for the next NCT Tech Talk. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.